Welcome back to Ivy's Kitchen. Today I am remaking my mom's salmon omelette. Check out ivyskitchen.net for the recipe and tag me on social media if you do recreate my dish. We want to go ahead and start off by heating some oil on a skillet or pan. Add your salmon. I'm using salmon that I previously cooked the night before. You can use canned salmon. Beat an egg, season it with salt and pepper, and add it to the salmon. You want to season your egg lightly depending on how seasoned your salmon is. Once the egg is in, you want to tilt your pan all around so the egg can cook evenly. Add your cheese. And now we are going to fold our omelet so the inside can cook and the cheese can melt. I'm actually using a spatula. And you're going to flip it as so or fold it as so. And then I'm using two spatulas to flip it because I was having a hard time trying to turn it over. It's okay if your omelet looks like this. We're going to cover it anyways. Add cheese to the top, put a lid on it, and place the heat on low so the cheese can melt and the egg can cook through. Once that's cooked, set that aside, and on the same pan, add oil, and we are going to saute our onions until it is nice and opaque. After a couple minutes of sauteing, you want to go ahead and add the tomatoes. We are not going to cook the tomatoes through so it's mushy, but we are going to cook it just so it is warm through. I am seasoning it with thyme, salt, and pepper. Once the topping is done, you want to add that on top of your salmon. And we're going to garnish this with some green onions. And that is how I remade my mom's salmon omelette with my additions. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and tap on that notification bell. For my recipes, please check out ivyskitchen.net. And if you do recreate my recipes, I would love to hear from you. So please tag me on social media and hashtag Ivy's Kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking.